Fans, I know it's been a while, but I want you to take a look behind me right there. The chart behind me is Kaspa on the daily, and what you're seeing is a clean breakout above the cloud, officially changing the structure and the trend of Kaspa from a downtrend to an uptrend. We're going to get back to that chart behind me in a second. And in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about what to expect from Kaspa, give you a little bit of an updated price prediction, and also talk about the most important update to come yet, which is Crescendo. So before we dig in, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and let's get going. So the first thing I want to start off with is Kaspa has been one of the best performers in the entire top 100 over the last 7 to 14 days. It's had rallies of 50 to 60% from a low of around 5 cents to a peak high of almost 10 cents, which was a key level that we discussed on this very channel for a few weeks already. And so the question then becomes, okay, we missed a big Kaspa pump, or maybe you didn't miss it because you had a lot of it in your spot bags. But for the people that are watching that maybe feel like they missed out, there's another way to make money when Kaspa rises, and that is to play as part of their ecosystem. And well, there's one ecosystem tokens that comes to mind, and that is Nacho. So shout out to the Nacho team. Take a look at this post here that we put up on our X handle. Kaspa's up over 50% in the last 14 days. If you missed the Kaspa pump, look within to their ecosystem, not within yourself, dummy. An obvious play in the Kaspa ecosystem is Nacho. It is why? Well, it's a blue chip token. It has their cap pool, which you can earn the Nacho token while mining Kaspa and contributing to the network security. It's got the KRC 721, the NFT collection that has actual utility and tangible benefits. And also the Moonbound GG. We'll cover that more in depth in a separate video. Also, just a note from myself. Personally, I love these guys. Shout out to Ashton and their entire team. They're authentic, smart, and put their community first. And we take a look at here from cast.fyi, you can see the number one KRC 20 token by market cap is Nacho. Not just by market cap, though, but by holders as well. As you can see here, 18,000 holders that are holding Nacho currently. And this thing, if you believe Kaspa is going to be a 20, 30, $50 billion market cap coin, why would you not think that maybe 1% or 5% of that would go to the top ecosystem token? That is Nacho. There's a bunch of other great ones here as well. I'm not going to mention any other ones by name, but you can check it out yourself at kas.fyi to take a look at the current and the upcoming new ones that are currently being minted as well. Now, the big thing I mentioned, the big upgrade to the network is Crescendo. I believe we are less than 12 days away. So that's 7, 5, yeah, about 12 days away. As you can see here, this was posted by the Kaspa X handle, Crescendo V1, which will take it from 1 block per second to 10 blocks per second, which will make Kaspa the fastest true proof of work blockchain out there. That is happening again on May 5th, and their score target is 110 million. So shout out to the team. Best of luck to the developers. We hope this goes off without a hitch. And if you know anything about what we've seen from Kaspa devs so far, it will. And so we're excited. Now, with that being said, let's get back to the chart. Kaspa daily, massive move. Why? It's not just because we saw a big price action. It's because on the daily, we've officially broken above the cloud. But not only have we broken above the cloud, we have closed a daily candle above the cloud. We also have our conversion line, which is our 9-day moving average, trading above our baseline, which is our 26-day moving average, another positive sign. And the last one, and I can argue the second most important, is this cloud has officially twisted green. So Kaspa currently has gone out of his downtrend and is in a current uptrend on Kaspa. Now, on the weekly, we are still away from having the same conditions on the Ichimoku Cloud. So with that being said, I want to stay on the weekly, and I have the Fibonacci levels drawn from the initial move down here at around 1.5 cents, and we've gotten a full 78.6% drawdown, and we've successfully retested that 786 Fibonacci level, and you can see that beautiful bounce, not just once, but essentially a double bottom on the Kaspa high time frame chart. There was your first bottom. Kaspa rallied to that 6.5 level to essentially our golden pocket. The second one, which kicked off that trend change on the daily, pushing above our golden pocket here, sitting between 8.36 and 8.98 cents. Now, if we do get a retracement, which it looks like on the daily we expect to come back and retest our golden pocket on the weekly, which again sits between 8.36 and 8.98. That is going to be a key pivotal level if we're looking for Kaspa to come, retrace, and then push back up. And the next level, my friends, is going to be that 50% retracement level from, again, our really the beginning of the rally that took us to 20 cents, which sits at 11.27 cents. So if you're a trader, a great long entry to scalp some profits and maybe go out and take your wife or your significant other out for a dinner date, or to maybe just add more to your Kaspa bag, enter into a long at around 8.36 cents and look to exit your first TP right below 11.273. Also, if you're into trading, join our Discord, get VVIP access. Doesn't cost you a dime, and you'll get all the trades that we put up and make money with. That link will be in the description of this video. So to say, Kaspa, from a fundamental standpoint, is looking excellent. It's coming along great. 10 blocks per second. Very curious to see how that goes and how many builders, developers are going to see that as a unique opportunity to come build on the fastest proof of work layer 1 in the entire industry, along with everything else, fair launch that we talk about all the time. From a technical standpoint, wait till we get that retracement back to the golden pocket on the weekly. Look to take a long up to that 11-cent level. Cash out, make money, go on a date, buy yourself something nice, or buy more Kaspa. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out all of the other Kaspa videos we have in our Kaspa playlist, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.